Hi everyone, my name is Sita. I am a teacher at SDS Bakti Badadatu in Waikanan, Lampung Province, Indonesia. During the pandemic, as a teacher, I had several advantages. Among them is being able to participate in trainings that are conducted from a different area from where I live, even from a different country. Some time ago, I attended a training held by Jain University in India that also organized by tieupsintl International in collaboration with Dinas Pendidikan and Aptikom from 5 provinces in Indonesia, Papua Barat, Sumatera Barat, Jambi, Riau, and the province where I live, Lampung. This training entitled Imparting Online Teaching Learning Methodology and was moderated by Mr. Raffi Makija MBA, the director of TIEUPS International, and as a trainer, Mr. Rajiv U. Kalebar MBA PhD and Mr. Arun Kumar Shetty MBA PhD, and the keynote speaker Dr. Eswaran IR and Dr. Randa Hajah Dermawati MBD. This training is one of the most enjoyable online training I have ever attended, very interactive and fun. The speaker was friendly and humble. We learned for 3 days about applications that can support the distance learning, such as Google Form, Textmos, Mentimeter, and Slido. Google Form can be used to conduct surveys or quizzes on learning that takes place asynchronously. Teachers could also insert image and video into it. Textmos is also a learning media that used for quizzes with many various question forms. Then Mentimeter and Slido are more like polls or surveys that can be used synchronously. When we have a virtual meeting with our student, we can present the Mentimeter to ask a question, and the participant answer, our student answer, will immediately appear on the screen. Slido also provides various choices of questions and answer forms. All web that are offered in the distance learning process during this training are not paid website or free. Of course, this is very beneficial for teachers. The results of this training are also very easy to apply to our students in the learning process. I have used the Mentimeter and Google Form in my virtual learning, and the result is that the children are very happy and enjoy in following the learning process until the end. Regarding this situation, I would like to thank for this opportunity that given by Jain University, TIEUPS, Aptikom, and the Dinas Pendidikan of Indonesia, and I hope that training like this will be held frequently. Thank you everyone, this review from me, goodbye.